Hey, this is OpenBox and welcome to another review. Today we'll be reviewing the Corsair Harpoon RGB optical gaming mouse from Corsair. Okay, so this mouse is a very affordable and budget mouse from Corsair. It has a RGB backlighting which is very nice, and it's multicolor from Q. It is a wide mouse which is not the most amazing you can have, but it is there. Alright, so here's the box. So let's just open it right there. It's a really easy pull up and it should open. Okay, so just inside you can see there's the USB plug and there is the mouse just inside. Okay, so the mouse just weighs around 190 grams and it is a 12,000 DPI mouse. So there's the instruction manuals which comes with them, which we will not really need, so we don't need that. And bye. Okay, so here's the mouse. Okay, so it does have a really long and nice cable, which is really good for a gaming PC who has the PC not on the desk. There is the USB, and the mouse is actually really nice as it's like really light, and it has a right hand adjusted, so it feels really comfortable for a right-handed person. And just as you can see, the mouse has an RGB backlighting which does change colors, but it's not as good as the Razer system where it does change quicker and you have the options to do it and customize it on your PC.